Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be a Burger King mukbang. Yeah. So I just recently heard that they have crispy chicken tenders. I don't know if they're limited time or what, but I got a 4-piece of those to try. I've been sick for over a week and I'm starving today. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetie pie. Do you want a French fry? Here. Here, Allie. Here. French fry. Where's your babies? You play with your babies? Okay, so I have a 4-piece of the crispy chicken tenders. What are they called? And I got a spicy chicken sandwich. I was watching some Trisha Paytas videos today. I've been in bed all day long. Jay and the girls were gone, so I was literally in bed this entire day. And I was watching videos, and now her and David have me wanting a spicy chicken sandwich, which I haven't had in forever. And I got a cheeseburger in case little one decides she wants one just because I'm eating, because she already ate. So I have 4-piece of the crispy chicken strips, an order of fries. I feel like crap. Spicy chicken sandwich, cheeseburger, CINI-MINIS. Sorry, I just spilled. Look at those. And those come with icing to dip them in, and then I have ranch for my nuggets and my sandwich. So here's the icing for the CINI-MINIS. And then to drink, I got a Diet Coke because I'm so thirsty. And I got a peppermint Oreo milkshake. So I guess we have music in the background too. I don't know if it's the TV or Jay's phone, but. So I was in bed all day. I decided to take a bath, so I was in the bathtub for like an hour and a half. I had to add more warm water because I got cold because I was in there so long. I'm just ready to take more medicine, which I cannot do till 11. I think it's only like 8:30. Okay, fries, chicken strips, CINI-MINIS. Trying to get it all open. Are you gonna shut this door or do I need to shut it? Do you want one of these cinnamon things? Hi. They're miniature cinnamon rolls. And they have icing. Do you want one of them?
No.
Okay, let's get my shake in the picture. Which Jay got a shake too. He said it was really good. I'm going to be sniffling in this video, but I can't help it. Adri's actually spending the night at Jay's parents' house, which she has never done before. She spent the night there with Panita. The shake's pretty good. What are you feeding your baby? That shake's really good with chunks of Oreo. Oh, it's pepperminty. I'm actually getting better though. So here's the strips. They're just all different sizes. Let's see. Pretty good. Really good. Better than the nuggets for sure. I like those. If these are limited time, make sure you try them out. These are really good. Way better than the nuggets. Why is it so bright? Those are really good. All right. What are you watching?
To me?
Yeah.
And him thing?
I think they can hear that over me. I didn't know I thought it was a TV. Spicy chicken. I think there's some napkins. I'm starving. Need some spice to kick this cold away. And these are the CINI-MINIS. I don't want to spill the icing. But those look delicious. Yummy. She's unzipping her jammies. I haven't had one of these in a long time. I tried the, what was it? Oh, the Nightmare Burger around Halloween time. I don't think I've had a spicy chicken sandwich since before then. It actually tastes really spicy today too. But my lips will chat from being sick. And my taste buds are all messed up. And usually their fries I think taste like dirty grease, but they don't today. Yum. Do antibiotics make things taste different? I don't remember. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. So Jay and the girls got up around, I think, like 10:30 this morning. And went to his parents to put new brakes on his car. So I've been in bed all day. And then when he let me know he ate dinner there, they had lunch there, they had breakfast there. And when he was on his way home, I texted him and told him that I thought Burger King sounded good. So then he called me and said he would go get it, but he wanted me to ride along. So he told me just to be ready and come out to the car and we would go. While he was gone, I stayed in bed. Edited and uploaded, I think, 2 videos. And I've been catching up, like, on everybody's, like, Vlogmas vlogs. I caught up with Flip Side of the Moon. I finally caught up with her videos. I haven't watched any since before they moved. I've been too busy. I watched a couple from the new mom. I caught up with Chabella or Megan Lee, Love You to D Meg. I just have her Christmas Eve one to watch. And last night I watched Casey Holmes' video announcing that she's pregnant. I cried. I love Casey. Her and Davis just got married, what, a year ago? Has it been a year? He was so excited when she told him. It was so cute. There's like pretty big chunks of Oreo in there. That constant tickle in your throat that makes it itch on the outside. I swear every day on YouTube somebody else announces that they're pregnant. Like every day. I feel like I was the first. Like I posted a video doing my pregnancy test. And I feel like ever since then it's been nothing but pregnant people, pregnant people, pregnant people. I don't know. Is that the amp you're getting tomorrow?
That's the amp that I have now.
Oh. What, honey? Is that your drumstick? Okay, I really want to try these CINI-MINIS. Whoa, careful. Yeah, I had a cup of noodles like a long time ago. I don't even know what time it was when I had that. Where'd your baby go? Is she in there with Daddy in that room? I don't know where you put your baby. Okay. So, are you guys making New Year's resolutions? Excuse me. I'm not, because, I mean, there's things I'd like to do in the new year. I want to get in shape, but that won't be until after the baby's born. Excuse me, so that won't start until the end of April. Actually, May, by the time I'm allowed to exercise. No! Oh my gosh, you about took that chair over on yourself. Careful, honey. Careful, careful. Honey, your baby's in there by Daddy. It's in that room. I just almost dipped it in my ranch. These CINI-MINIs are good. Way better, I think, than the Cinnamon Delights at Taco Bell. Watch your fingers. What was this, like $1.49 for these this little 4-pack? Those are good. What are you doing in there? Huh? What you doing? Those are really good, super sweet. You ate. Daddy said you guys just ate pizza. Mom? What? Did Daddy have a milkshake left?
Yeah.
Will you give her a drink? I don't want her to drink after me. Daddy has one. She's trying to get my milkshake. Daddy has one. Daddy give you a drink, okay? These crispy chicken strips are really good. Did Daddy give you a drink? Yeah. There's Oreos in it and peppermint. Did you drink it?
This is really good.
I think so too. It has some big pieces in it. It's like you have to chew it.
Where's your little baby Jack?
In the playpen. I think it's in her baby doll playpen.
Jack's on TV. Look, there, baby Jack.
I've never even seen that movie.
Watch, Allie. You'll see baby Jack.
Beautiful. I feel hot. I took a bath. Put on this nightgown.
Ooh,
It's a hooded.
Alex, look. Oh,
It's a hooded nightgown with a front pocket. It's so comfy. I've worn it before with pants.
Watch TV. Look.
Because it looks like a sweatshirt. But it's technically a nightgown. So a lot of my Facebook friends have been sick over this Christmas holiday. Have you? Like where I'm at, it's going on like crazy. A couple of my friends have pneumonia. A couple of my other friends have been sick for like well over a week, going on 2 weeks. And they just can't seem to get over it. Comment down below, are you sick? Have you been sick? Mine's just like this cold congestion crap, which I'll take over the stomach flu any day. Because some of my friends have been having like the vomiting, diarrhea, flu. So I'm glad it's not that. I'm over this crap. Way over it. Sometimes it tastes super spicy, other times I don't. Today it's super spicy, making my nose run more than it was. How can I be so tired from doing nothing? I'm coughing. Coughing is exhausting. Especially when you're pregnant. You have coughing attacks and your bladder doesn't know what to do about it. It's been a nightmare. Hi. Are you drinking milkshake? Yeah. So I hope Adriana's okay at Jay's parents. Hopefully she doesn't call at like 11 o'clock and want us to come get her or something. She never stayed anywhere other than my mom's. She stayed at my grandma's house once. My grandma's. When my cousins were home from Florida. And there was like a bunch of them.
Adrian stayed at my mom and dad's before.
With you?
No. When we was in Atlanta.
When we were in Atlanta, she stayed at my mom's.
Yeah, but my mom had her the last night, didn't she? Or my mom started?
No, she spent the night at my mom's that whole time.
I thought my mom had her one night.
No. She stayed at your mom's with you before. My lips are on fire. Alright, I'm full. So I ate the crispy chicken. I ate almost 2 chicken strips. A couple fries. Trying to breathe. And 1 CINI-MINI. I should have got a large Diet Coke because this tasted just so good just now. I've been chugging water like crazy. I saw this whole shake. I don't know what she has. I love shakes. I like them by themselves, like not with food, you know? Are you clapping? So now I'm going to go hang out for a minute. For a little bit until it's time to take medicine. Is that your puppy? Is that your little puppy dog? We need to unpack yours from Nana's, huh? I think he needs new batteries. He's not playing any music. Is that your puppy? Ellie, do you want to bite a cinnamon roll? Ellie, do you want to bite a cinnamon roll? Look. Do you want to bite? Do you want to bite with icing? Come here. Look, there's icing. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go relax until, look, I look terrible. At least I'm clean and medicated. I'm just ready to feel better. Like I said, this afternoon was 24 hours I've been on my antibiotics. I'm hoping to start feeling better. I'm just... So yeah. I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed my Vlogmas. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Let me know if you had the crispy chicken strips or the CINI-MINIS and what you think. And yeah, don't forget to tell me who's been sick. Because I'm sure there's probably a bunch of you. It can't just be around here. At least the other people in my household have not gotten sick. That's what I don't want. I do not want any of them to get sick. So, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.